Imagine waking up one morning, and instead of sunrise, you see another planet looming in the sky. Bigger than the moon, brighter than anything you've ever seen. Venus, Earth's twisted twin, drifting closer and closer, until it collides with us. What happens next would make the extinction of the dinosaurs look like a firecracker. Earth. Mass, 597 x 1024 kilograms. Radius, about 6,371 kilometers. Venus, almost the same. Mass, 4.87 x 1024 kilograms. Radius, 6,052 kilometers. They are cosmic siblings, similar in size but utterly different in character. Earth is alive with oceans and forests. Venus is a suffocating oven, 96% carbon dioxide atmosphere, pressure 90 times Earth's, and a surface hot enough to melt lead. But now imagine them colliding. How much energy would be released? Let's do the math. The relative speed could be anywhere from 5 to 40 kilometers per second. At just 10 kilometers, the impact unleashes 1.34 x 1032 joules of energy. That's more than Earth's entire gravitational binding energy. The energy needed to rip the planet apart. In other words, the collision could literally unmake Earth itself. To put it in perspective, the asteroid that ended the dinosaurs, around 1023 joules. This collision, 10 billion times more. If that impact was the end of one age, this would be the end of all ages. At t+0 seconds, the instant of impact, the surface at the collision point vaporizes into plasma. Temperatures climb into the millions of degrees. Shock waves rip through both planets. Mountains crumble like sandcastles. Earthquakes beyond any Richter scale tear the crust apart. t+10 seconds. Earth's oceans, all 1.4 1021 kilograms of water, instantly boil away. To vaporize them, normally would take about 3x 1027 joules. The impact delivers energy 5 orders of magnitude higher. The oceans aren't just boiled, they're annihilated. T+ minutes, atmospheres collide and ignite. Shockwaves circle the globe. Superheated winds blow faster than any hurricane, flattening everything in their path. The sky glows brighter than the sun itself. T+ hours. A vast debris cloud forms, encircling what remains of the two worlds. Chunks of rock the size of continents rain back down as molten fire. Lava seas cover the surface. Day and night lose all meaning. The planet itself glows. Days later, what's left is unrecognizable. If the collision was grazing, Earth and Venus could fuse into a single super-Earth, nearly double the mass of our current planet. A glowing, molten, hellish world, wrapped in a debris disk that might someday form a new moon. If the collision was direct and violent enough, both planets could be shattered, reduced to a swarm of fragments orbiting the sun, like a second asteroid belt. Take a moment right now. If this unimaginable cosmic catastrophe already has you hooked, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. It helps us keep bringing the wonders and terrors of the universe to life. But the story doesn't end there. The debris cloud could destabilize the orbits of Mercury, Mars, maybe even Jupiter's moons. For centuries, the inner solar system would be filled with deadly fragments. Some would fall back into the sun. Others could strike nearby planets. But the sun itself? With a mass 300,000 times greater than Earth and Venus combined, it wouldn't even notice. To our star, this chaos is a flicker of dust. And here's the haunting part. This isn't just fantasy. Collisions like this really shaped our solar system. Scientists believe the moon itself was born when a Mars-sized body slammed into early Earth around 4.5 billion years ago. That single cataclysm created the satellite that stabilizes our climate and allowed life to flourish. Without that disaster, we might not even exist. So while the thought of Earth and Venus colliding is terrifying, it's also a reminder. Destruction and creation are two sides of the same cosmic coin. Our very existence owes itself to ancient collisions. If this journey through cosmic destruction left you in awe, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, so you never miss another mind-bending exploration of the universe. And let us know in the comments, what would scare you more, a new super-Earth forged from fire, or a shattered solar system drifting in chaos?